Hey corazones, today we will be making some zucchini noodles, also known as zoodles, with lime garlic shrimp. Take a look at that yumminess. If you want to know how to make this, make sure you stick around. So the first thing I did was I got 2 zucchinis and I used this Spiralizer that I got on Amazon for literally $9 and went ahead and chopped off the ends and spiralized, kept spiralizing. No, corazones, the next step is not to take a shot of hornitos. I actually just use this cup to squeeze out the juice of 1 entire lime. You can also use lemon, it's just a matter of your preference, lime or lemon. Both will work just fine. When I was initially zesting my lime, I was using the finer side, but I realized that wasn't doing much, so I went ahead and used the side with the bigger hose. I did, however, use the finer side to grate 3 cloves of garlic. I then got about 3/4 of a cup of parsley and chopped it up. I got 1 pound of shrimp and I went ahead and cleaned it up from the top and from the bottom. On medium-high heat, I went ahead and put in some olive oil. I then went ahead and put my shrimp in one by one on the pan just to ensure that my shrimp got cooked evenly from both sides. As you can tell though, my corazones, that oil was jumping up like crazy. So when you are doing this step, don't forget to strain your shrimp first to let all that excess water come out, just to avoid this craziness that happened to me. I added a little bit of black pepper, some pink Himalayan salt. This would be a good time to add additional spices in, for example, the red pepper flakes. I didn't want it spicy for my daughter, so I myself did not add any. The next thing I did was I added my garlic. When I noticed my shrimp nice and ready the way that I like it, I went ahead and removed them from the pan. I then went ahead and added some butter and I kept stirring until it was nice and melted. After about a minute, I went ahead and added my lime juice. Soon after that, I added the lime zest. I threw in the chopped parsley. We're almost to the grand finale. I went ahead and just let it simmer for about 2 minutes. Alright, my corazones, now it's time to add in your zucchini zoodles. You're going to go ahead and stir it so that it can soak in all of that yumminess that you put in for about 2 minutes. Just don't leave it for too long or else it will be a little bit too mushy. Something that I forgot to do was cut the zoodles. So if you have a pair of shears, go ahead and cut them so it could be easier to stir. Alright, my corazones, this is the last step. When you have everything ready, just go ahead and toss your shrimp in and look at that deliciousness. Not to brag, but this was pretty darn delicious. See you next time.